Okay, so tuloy po tayo. So next topic natin is clutches. Okay? So pag sinabi natin clutches, it is a mechanical device which engages and disengages power transmission, okay, from a driver to a driven. Okay? So pinaka-typical na example natin is sa sasakyan. Okay? So meron po tayong dalawang uri ng clutch in general. We have the plate or the disc clutch. And of course, you have the cone clutch. Okay? So, dalawa lang yan. So, unahin na natin si disc clutch or the plate clutch na tinatawag. So, ito yung cross-section natin. No? You have a driver shaft and a driven shaft. Of course, attached to the shafts are the clutch. Okay? Pares po ang ating clutch. So, ang clutch natin, merong inside and outside diameter. And of course, yung tumutulak sa ating drive shaft is called the axial force FA. So, yung formula natin sa clutch in terms of torque is meron na po tayo, no? So, the torque developed on the clutch is NFFARM, and alam naman natin na tinuro sa atin sa strength of materials na ang power ay TN over A conversion factor. Okay? So, pag pinagsama natin, so power is T, ito yung T mo, NFFARM, angular speed N, over a factor. So, tandaan natin na ang ating P, of course, is the power transmitted. Your N is the number of frictional surfaces. Pag sinabing frictional surfaces, yun na po yung number ng pares. Pag sinabing 3 pairs, your N is 3. Pero pag ang sinabi ay number of clutches, piraso, lagi yung -1. So you have, for example, you have 18 clutches, ang N mo dun ay -1, 17 lang. Okay? You have the frictional coefficient, F. FA is the axial force, RM is the mean radius, okay, of your clutch, and of course, N is your angular speed. Okay? So, recall lang natin, ang mga units natin, pag naka-SI units, syempre, you have power to be kilowatts, axial force to be newtons, and your mean radius should be in millimeters, and the factor is 9.549 times 10 to the 6. Okay? Sana tanda pa yon, tinuro sa strength. Okay? And then for English units, your power is in HP, your axial force is in pound force, and your RM is in inches, and factor is 63025. Okay? Sige. So, meron tayong dalawang uri ng plate or disc clutch na method na tinatawag. Una, pwede natin gamitan sa computation ang tinatawag na uniform pressure. So, uniform pressure method is para sa mga bagong clutch, new clutch. You're assuming na wala pa tong gas-gas, kaya ang distribution ng pressure is uniform. Okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na AF, the frictional area na nagkikiskisan. So, since bago yan, yun ay pi over 4 DO squared minus DI squared. And the mean radius is, ito po yung formula natin. Okay? 2/3 RO cube minus RI cube over RO squared minus RI squared. Pag radii ang given. Pero pag diameters, 1/3 yung nasa labas. Okay? DO cube minus DI cube over DO squared minus DO squared. Tandaan po natin, new clutch is under uniform pressure. Okay? So, pag luma na, old clutch that is under the uniform wear. Okay? So, may gas-gas na, may wear na, so ang pressure distribution hindi yan na uniform. Okay? So, ito po yung ating frictional area na nakikiskisan. That is by integration ako You have 2 pi Rx. Okay? Nagbabari kasi yung radius mo, depende kung saang posisyon since may gas-gas na. RO minus RI. Para yung perimeter, 2 pi R, then this is the thickness, no? RO minus RI. Okay, mean radius ng uniform wear is literal na mean, average. Okay, kaya yun ay RO plus RI over 2. Okay, pag diameter, syempre, it should be over 4. And take note, yung Rx natin, pag walang in-specify, doon tayo sa pinakamataas na pressure, that is RI sa loob. Okay? RI ang gamitin. Most of the time mo lang sinasabi, kaya matic RI ang gagamitin, no? Sige. So, let's try this sample. A Pajero Jeep Wagon's engine develops 40 HP at 1,200 RPM with a single plate clutch with 2 pairs of friction surfaces transmitting the power. Considering a frictional coefficient to be 0.3, a mean diameter of 200 mm, what is the actual force to engage the clutch? Okay? So, bago natin ito solvein, una, yung units muna natin is naka-SI tayo. So, kilowatts, mm, And of course, ang makukuha mo doon dapat na force is in newtons by default. Okay? So ito yung ating formula ng power. NF, FA, RM, N, factor. So unang tanong natin dyan is RM. Okay? Dalawa kasi ang possible formula sa RM. It can be uniform wear, it can be uniform pressure. Sa problem na to, walang binanggit. Pero, kung papansin niyo, ang binigay dyan ay mean diameter na, 200. So, ang mean radius mo, i-divide mo lang siya sa 2. Okay? So, with that, labas lang natin si calcu, lalagay lang natin. Okay? So, N, ang sabi sa N ay 2 pairs of frictional surfaces. So, power pala muna, I'm sorry. The power is 40 kilowatts. So, that is 40, naka-SI tayo. Equals to, and meron tayong 2 pairs, kaya 2 ang N. Frictional coefficient is 0.3. You have your unknown FA, so that is alpha x sa ating calcu. You have your RM, sabi natin sa problem na to, RM is dm, 200 over 2, or you can simply put 100 para mas mabilis. Then your angular speed should be in RPM, 1,200. 1,200 at ang factor po natin again pag SI ay 9.549 times 10 to the 6 or 9,549,000. Press shift solve na lang, equals natin, lalabas niyan ay 5,305 ang unit niyan in newtons. Okay? So kung gusto natin gawing kilonewtons, i-divide mo lang ng 1,000. So meron tayong 5,000 or 5.305 kilonewton. Ganun lang po kabilis yung problem na ito. Okay? So, doon tayo sa susunod na problem. So, dito naman, an engine of a motor vehicle with a wheel diameter of 712 mm develops 50 kilowatts at 2,000 RPM. The combined efficiency of the differential and transmission is 75% with an overall speed reduction of 25:1. Determine the axial force on the clutch in kilonewton if the outside and inside diameters of the clutch are 300 mm and 240 mm respectively. There are 2 pairs of mating surfaces with a frictional coefficient of 0.3. Then use uniform wear method. Okay? So, ang mga problem natin, most of the time, maraming datas na hindi mo kailangan kagaya ng problem na to. Meron pa diyang binigay diameter, may transmission and speed reduction pa sinabi. Pero bottom line, problem to sa clutch. So ito yung formula natin. Power is NFFARMN over factor. Okay, given naman dyan, except, of course, the unknown which is the frictional or the axial force FA. By the way, the unit is in SI. So kilowatts, RPM, mm, then Newton by default. Okay, then the fact na sinabing uniform wear method tayo, ang binigay dito R diameters. So, kung naalala pa, uniform wear method RM is DO plus DI over 4. So, pwede na natin yung pindutin sa calcu. Power is 50 kilowatts equals to N. Ano bang sabi about N? Ang sabi dito ay sa pares, there are 2 pairs of mating surfaces. So, again, meron tayong 2 pairs. You have your frictional coefficient to be 0.3. Again, the unknown is FA, so that is alpha x. So, your RM, idediretso na natin yan, no? DO is 300 plus DI daw is 240 divided by 4 dahil diameters po yan. Angular speed is 2,000. And again, ang ating factor ay 9.549 times 10 to the 6. Okay? Press shift solve. Lalabas dyan ay 2,947 newtons po yan by default. Since kilonewton ang kailangan, divide by 1,000, so you have 2.947 kilonewton. Okay? So hopefully nasundan natin yung problem na ito. Mabilis lang naman po. Okay?